In this video, we're going to look at an engine cooling water system. And I'm going to explain to you how we regulate the engine cooling water system temperature in order to prevent the engine overheating. In order to protect the engine from freezing, we will add antifreeze into the cooling water system. The antifreeze prevents the water from freezing at, for example, -5 degrees Celsius. And it's very, very important that we do have the antifreeze in the engine. I just want to do a quick note here on thermal expansion and thermal contraction. Thermal expansion is catered for by a header tank. That's this tank here. As the cooling water system gets hot, some of it may expand if the temperature becomes very hot, and the cooling water will go into this pipe and will store the cooling water in a header tank. We already know that if the temperature increases, then the top primary valve will open and the bypass valve will close, so we're not bypassing the radiator anymore. And if the temperature decreases, then the bypass opens and the primary valve to the radiator closes. So that's what it's doing, but how is it doing it? So that's what's happening when the engine is cold. So we've started the engine, it's cold at the moment, but as it continues to operate, it's going to generate more and more heat, and at some point we're going to see those red arrows coming through